guys, welcome back. So today I'm gonna do this makeup look. I just saw this song on YouTube today. It's called Tareefan. It's from the movie Veere the Wedding. I was so impressed with Sonam Kapoor's makeup, with Kareena Kapoor's makeup, but since Kareena Kapoor is my favorite, so I just took that makeup as my inspiration and I created this look. I really love this look, how it turned out, and I am super happy. And now let's get started. So I'm going to start with my primer first, and the primer I'm using is Loreal Base Magique. Now I'm just going to color correct, and I'm using my LA Pro Conceal HD Concealer in the shade Orange. And I'm using it under my eyes. Now I'm going to take two foundations together, and this one is the MAC Face and Body, and I'm in the shade C4. And this one is the MAC Studio Fix, and I'm in the shade NC37. Now I'm going to move on to my eyebrows, and for my eyebrows I'm using this Maybelline the Nudes palette, and I'm using this shade right here. Now I'm going to set my eyebrows with this Miss Claire Colorlash All Day Wear Transparent Mascara. Now I'm going to bronze my face with this Body Shop bronzer. Now I'm going to contour my face with this LA Pro Contour Powder. So for my eyes today, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Flawless Pro palette, and I'm going to take this shade, and it is a nude shade, and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids. Now I'm going to take this shade, which is a medium brown, and I'm going to apply it in the crease of my eyes. I'm not going inwards, like I'm leaving the inner third and applying it just from the middle and taking it outwards. Now taking a pencil brush, I'm going to go in with this shade. This is a darker brown, and I'm going to be very precise with this eyeshadow because I want it to stick to a certain area. Just put your head down a little bit. You can see where the fold of the eye is, and just apply it over there. Just pack the color over there. Again, leaving the inner third of the eyes. So build the color over there, taking little at a time, like that. Just going back with the blending brush, just blend it just a little bit, very lightly. Just so that there are no harsh lines. At the same time, you just have to make sure that the color doesn't blend away with the rest of the colors, because we want that color to be very prominent. Now I'm going to take this shade right here. This one is a skin tone color, almost nude but a little bit yellowish. I'm just going to put it in the inner third of my eyes. At the bottom of my eyes, I'm using this same medium brown, and taking my pencil brush, I'm just going to line my lash line. In this look, we're doing the eye makeup leaving the inner third of the eyes, so we don't want anything in the inner third of the eyes. We're keeping the inner third of the eyes very clean. And for the liner, I'm going to use Maybelline the Clolossal liner and line the eyes leaving the inner corner. So leaving the inner corner, I'm starting from somewhere here, winging it out a little bit. Her liner does not look that harsh, so I'm going to take this one. This is a taupe color, and I'm going to apply it on top of the liner just to give it a really soft look. Taking my Lakme Eyeconic Kajal, this is in the shade Deep Black, I'm going to create a thin line in my lower lash line and also kind of wing it out, almost like a double wing, like upper and lower wing. This looks perfect, except that hers is a little bit more softer, so I'm going to try and make it a little bit more softer. This one is a tiny flat brush. I'm going to take the same shade, the taupe one, and I'm just going to try and soften it. Now I'm going to apply false lashes and I'll be right back. Because of my lash glue, I'm just going to go over my liner with the same Clolossal. So I want my double wing to be a little bit more prominent, so I'm going to take this tiny brush and I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer between that line. Just like that. Taking this Maybelline Master Contour Palette, I'm going to apply the blush. Going in with the lips, I'm going to take this Avon Ultra Glimmersticks lip liner. It's in the shade Nude and I'm just going to outline my lips and also fill in the lips. I'm taking this Miss Claire lip liner. This is in the shade Flare Pink and I'm just going to line it and fill it in. Next I'm going to take this Lakme 925 and this is in the shade Fleming Function and it is a very bright fuchsia color. I'm going to apply it all over my lips. Okay, so now I'm going to apply this Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream. It is in the shade number 12 and I'm just going to apply it on top of this. And now the highlighter, I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate and it's totally broken, but still. So this is my finished makeup look. Let me know how you like it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please share it and subscribe to my channel. I post videos thrice a week. And when you click on the subscribe button, please click on the bell icon beside it so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to do more Bollywood looks like this. And we'll see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.